creek. Always wanted a nice trail along the outside edge of the creek. Be able to, you know, have a nice mowed path, walk along. And it gives me access to the edge of our woods here that's up against the creek side. I own across the creek as well. There's a lot of maple over on the across the creek, but over on this side is a lot of dead ash. Sad for the forest. Look at them beautiful trees. So I think an ash harvest on my own land here is due very soon. Cleared all this so far, my friends. Big Bob on the job. It's just chowing up this stuff. The root grapple's working great for grabbing all this overgrown broad. Another big ash. It's really sad. Barely see the top up there. It's got some leaves and it's struggling. They're just all scattered through along the edge of this creek here. We got another one back there. You can see it covered in vines. Beautiful vines you gotta work with. Got another one over here. And these are some really, really good size ash. Camera never does justice. Get out here with the tape. Give you guys a better example. But this is we got a hammer here. We got a hammer. Another one in there too, hiding. Beautiful ash. But look at the top. Look at that thing up there. It's so sad. So I'm gonna continue cleaning up the edge, you know, along the edge of the creek here. Create a beautiful trail and see what else we can kick up as far as the ash. See, do some more investigating. I cannot stress enough how, you know, amazing and useful Big Bob is with this grapple. Being able to clear this stuff up. Beautiful trail behind me I'm creating, and it's going to be super nice to be able to mow a trail and be able to walk all this, bring the pups down. Look at this, just how dense this is in the front. If this isn't calling for a little forestry mulch or even a bush hog of some sort, I don't know what is, but we're gonna see what this grapple does. And I've already been clearing some of this thick, dense stuff. You can't even see in there. It's so thick with pricker bushes and thorns. So I'm just gonna dip my grapple in little bits at a time, pull some out, dip it in. Beautiful trail through that wall. We're just working our way along the edge of the creek. Obviously I can't do anything with that. I don't have the machine for that. Oh, Tom, I need you up here. Clean the creek out, it'd be so nice. This thing over here, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna try to pick at it the best I can. This is just a dead maple that's laying over the creek. What a mess. So maybe I can break off some of it here. I don't know. I'm gonna try to clean up this clump the best I can. I think I have a, I don't know if this is a willow. You guys have to help me out on this. It doesn't look like willow bark. I have no idea, my friends, what kind of tree this is, to be honest with you. Is it a big elm? Leaves are, they're ash-like almost. You guys can see that. Interesting tree. Mystery tree. Do the best I can to clear off some of this junk here along our mystery tree. Some of this cleaned up in here. Objects around me. I'm kind of working with a big bob width trail, so I have to be careful not get carried away and lose direction. You have to remind yourself when you're trying to turn, make little turns, you got to remember the back of your machine, where it is. I already got a couple scuffs on Big Bob I wasn't happy about. I was able to get them out. You guys are probably laughing at me though. It's a Bobcat and I try to keep it like a Mercedes. It's on camera. But, oh yeah, I got more crap freaking hanging up on it on me. That's the problem. Another ash tree, my friends. That's a maple in front of me there. But then another nice ash to the left. And another big ash right behind that to the left as well. Look at some of these trees though. It's just such a shame. Beautiful trail I got cleaned out all next to it. In we go. Back in we go. A halt in the road where I actually need to use the chainsaw. Imagine that. Just watched it pinch and I kept cutting like a fool. Wood guy blooper, okay? So what's the best thing about when you pinch your chainsaw? It's watching it get pinched, knowing that you can quick react and pull the saw out to prevent it from pinching, but you just watch it pinch. Oh yeah, it's probably the heat in the hat and the sawdust mixture. Alright, so I got this cluster all squared away. That beautiful saw log of freaking box elder. Anybody who wants it, hit me up. Send that thing to you for free, right in the mail. Breaking a nice little path through this little homemade Mother Nature box elder archway. All this heat, you know this is due. Oh, we're in the middle of a storm, my friends, and I'm in the woods. Grab the saw and let's check out. Okay, out we go. We are in the woods in a thunderstorm. I'm glad I'm in a track machine with a cab. Trying to do the best I can. I got my saw on the front. Take it easy. Big Bob in her first rainstorm. Oh yeah, I got the wiper. I had to bring down my claw here. Yeah, here we are, my friends. It's only doing justice on camera. But I got trees swaying around, dead ash trees I'm under. I gotta get out of here. This is not where I want to be right now. Oh, Big Bob, here we go. Oh man. Tracks are all muddy. Actually, oh my god. Out in a thunderstorm and Big Bob. Well, that just in the nick of time. Racing out of the woods and Big Bob, what an experience that is. Oh, the joys of a cab. And the wiper, guys. That's the whole reason I bought that machine, was for the wiper, of course. You know, and in all serious note, it is a very, very comfortable feeling, you know, in a panic situation, running out of the woods and at least having some machine around you to get to safety, because that was pretty intimidating watching them dead ash trees up there swaying around, and you know, I'm underneath them with a machine, or if I was bare in the woods, you know, doing some cutting, you know, that'd be a very, very dangerous situation. So you guys that are out there that are doing it, you know, be careful out there, be safe, always keep an eye out. And this heat like this, these pop-up little showers, you can't look at your radar and trust anything. So that's the Weatherman Wood Guy for you tonight, folks. Tune in on 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's gonna do it for that one, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed the Creekside clear cut. Creekside clearing, I should say, not the Creekside clear cut. It might be a Creekside clear cut, though, the way them ash trees are looking. So I'm going to point a few more times. Once, twice. All right, guys, I appreciate all your likes and supports. Thanks, guys, for all your comments, all the cool questions you have. Keep asking them, my friends. And I have so much more coming to the channel. Wait till you guys see what I have coming. So many cool things. Big surprise coming to the channel again, my friends. You guys are going to be real shocked. And we will catch you guys on the next one. As I always say, be nice, be kind, be good to your neighbors. And we'll see you guys later. See ya, everybody.